before we get started, I want to give a big huge thank you to Revolution Makeup for sending me this for free. This is the You Are the Revolution Advent Calendar. I am going to be unboxing the whole Advent Calendar in one sitting because I'm so excited and I can't wait. This is available for purchase at revolutionbeauty.com. So if you're going to get it, you don't want to know what's inside, maybe you don't want to keep watching because I am going to spoil it. I am going to be unboxing the whole thing. But if you're getting it as a gift and you're just curious, or you're just curious and want to know what's inside, let's get started. Here we go. So beautiful. Let's start with number one. Here we go. First up, we have a lipstick. Ooh. I haven't put on any makeup because I knew I was going to be unboxing this today. So let's check out our new lipstick. So cute. Number two. Contour powder. Lovely. Number three. Oh, it's a mirror. Love. Okay, on to number four. Ooh, number four is like a tube shaped. So excited to see what's inside. A new brush. Super useful. So soft. Number five. Ooh, a brow pencil. Nice. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, so there is my brow pencil eyebrow, and then there is my unbrowed pencil eyebrow. Oh my gosh, look at the difference. I love it. Let's do the other one to match. Oh my gosh, obsessed. Number six. Ooh, eye primer. Seven. So excited. Oh, another brush. Yes. Love. Ooh, number eight. Another lipstick. All right, I will show you the color of this one on my hand here. I love that. Number nine. I kind of feel like this one's gonna be mascara. It's not. It is lip oil. That's so fun. Yes. 10. Brow gel. Nice. Yes. 11. Ooh, cream eyeshadow. Love. I'm gonna grab the eye primer from day 6, and then I'm gonna be trying on the cream eyeshadow from day 11. All right, primed and ready for the cream eyeshadow. Obsessed. Number 12. A different color cream eyeshadow. Yes, I love this. I cannot wait to try it. All right, I'm going to do the color on my hand here to show you. Oh, it's so pretty. 13. Lip gloss. All right, I have to try this. I'm gonna be trying this over the lipstick that I already have on. I'm having the most fun right now. I love this. I'm not sure if you can pick up the sparkle in the gloss, but it is so beautiful. Number 14. Ooh. A blush palette, yes. Number 15, a highlighter. 16, brow crayon, nice. 17, primer. 18, lip liner. 19, matte liquid lipstick. 20, matte liquid lipstick. 21, a sponge. 22, lip liner. 23, lip scrub. Oh, I'm so excited about this. 24, eyeliner pencil. Our last one, 25. An eyeshadow palette. Yes, what a way to end our advent calendar unboxing. I love this. Look at all those colors. Such a beautiful palette. Well, that's all we have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Another big, huge thank you to Revolution Makeup for sending me the You Are the Revolution Advent Calendar. Again, this is available for purchase on revolutionbeauty.com. I had so much fun unboxing this Advent, and I am so excited to use everything inside. Thanks for watching. Bye.